our first step today is to assemble the column to the top of the tower. So to do this, first of all, I'm going to use a pair of snips or scissors would work. You're just going to have to cut this little tie wrap back here to free all the wires. Discard that. And we're going to put this on its back, like this here. So you can see that we have our power cable. And then we have 3 leads that are coming out of the top. Now these are color coordinated, so it makes it quite easy to follow. So this is the central column. I'm just going to slide this over here like this and get this a little bit closer. You'll notice that the brown insert for the manifold is sticking out here, so we can take the time now to connect our tube that's going to relay the pump to the top of the tower. So this is just taking one end, and we're going to pressure fit it as far as we can onto the brown connector here. And we can feed that through the inside of the column. Now, you may have to reach in from the other end, like I do here. And we're going to do the same thing with the power connector as well. So these, we have, each one of these is color coordinated, so we just have to connect them together, making sure everything's nice and tight. To green. Now that we have all our connectors properly installed, we're going to just insert the cables a little bit further up the channel. And we're going to lift this up and slide it down onto the mounts, like so. And then last step is just to secure it with the 4 screws provided here. Okay, so next we'll show you how to install the top to the base.